Well, it's nice to see all of you guys again.
It's been 84 years.
So I took a couple of days off, and what's happened? Well, in short, absolutely everything has happened. So let's break down a couple of things. In the last 4 days, we saw the complete meltdown of Caliber in Northern California, making all these really interesting and odd decisions with some of their staff and loan officers over there who are great people. Listen, if any of you want to reach out, and I hope you do, all you have to do is click this banner right over there. And Zillow and Opendoor launched a partnership proving once again that realtors should quit their NAR and state associations. For one, they're doing nothing to support actual real realtors, agents. Two, being totally complicit in everything. Three, messaging agents at their association meetings and through emails to not speak up and share their mind about how atrocious all of this stuff Zillow and Opendoor has been doing. And four, for actually partnering with these companies. Yeah, that's what the NAR did. You know, enemies to the agents. Didn't you just know that there was no way that Zillow was going to stay out of the multi-trillion-dollar housing market? It's just too lucrative and too juicy for them. So now get this. All of your multiple listing systems and associations give Zillow access to all of your listings on Zillow's site. And make no bones about it, all of your clients are on Zillow. All of them. Zillow Group's mobile apps and websites had 234 million average monthly unique users in the second quarter this last year. Now the partnership will allow home sellers on the Zillow platform to request an Opendoor offer to sell their home. They don't even need you to list it anymore. They can just pop that sucker on Fizbo right over on Zillow. And to make sure that everybody out there knows that you all have a stake in this battle, Opendoor offers will be available on Zillow and customers will be able to use the services as a standalone offering or package it with other Zillow home shopping services like financing, closing, and agent selection. Right. And you agents out there, you just keep financing this company by participating with Premier Agent and offering tactical support to them with your listings. Unbelievable. On further review, your loan is now approved. Wouldn't that be nice? It turns out Equifax screwed up millions of your clients' credit scores. Quote, the percentage of incorrect scores provided to lenders varied. 18% of applicants during a 3-week period in question had incorrect scores with the average swing of 8 points. I know that doesn't seem like a big number, but I smell a lawsuit coming. Now the CFPB is investigating and they're going to have to come up with some solutions to this problem. Now here's a look into the future because I really think this is going to happen. This isn't close to being done. This group is going to go in entirely new directions. And I want you to think about the appraisers. The solution will be to revamp credit scoring models on all loans to more positively impact all of your HMDA data. We've already heard the distant thundering of this drum. Now it's going to get louder. And I hope you guys follow this because everything that's going on right now is crazy because we have actually moved away from fair housing goals. What they're doing with credit scores, what they're doing with appraisals is not getting us any closer to fair housing goals. When you make affordable housing illegal, people will make illegal housing. That's what we've done across the board, from a policy standpoint to an actual factual homeless and underhoused standpoint. For example, here's a look at a rent growth chart through July of 2022. Look at these numbers. None of them are sustainable. So what do? Well, here's what we are doing, allowing for newly minted multi-story and multi-unit homeless encampments. No code, no tax base, no sewage, no electricity, and last of all, no way this could possibly be happening at this time in our country. All newly minted new ideas, bad ideas at that. Well, they're not all new ideas. Look at these black and white pictures here. This isn't today, no. Does it look familiar though? It looks like right now. This was called Hooverville, and that's where hundreds of makeshift homeless encampments built near large cities across the United States during the Great Depression between the years 1929 and 1933. So congratulations, people.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations.
We finally did it. All of our elected officials should take a bow for this monumental achievement of bringing us back to where my grandparents remember, the Great Depression with housing. Wow.